Here is a slightly more complicated example. Here we have two syntax elements that are interesting. This is this \w, which matches an alphanumeric character. So \w can stand for any letter from A to Z lowercase, A to Z uppercase, digits from 0 to 9, or the underscore character. And we see it's followed by plus, which in regular expressions is a quantifier, and you have to associate it to what comes before that. So \w plus means one or more \w, that is to say one or more alphanumeric character, and then the letters day, D, A, Y. So if you run this, what you get is this list that we already saw here of the days of the week. Now another quantifier is the question mark. So the question mark means that the preceding character may be there or not. So see what happens, for instance, if I introduce a question mark here. Now it means that I'm looking for one or more alphanumeric characters followed by D, followed by an A that can be there or not, and then a Y. And you've guessed it, if you run this, what you get, you also get grande matching, because that's alphanumeric characters and then D, no A, and a Y. And it matches at the end too. So this is an example of using find all again, and we're using it on the compiled regular expression. If we look down here, I've been doing the same thing using find iter. Now find iter returns an iterator, and each element of the iterator is a match object. So the way you extract these match objects from the iterator is you loop over it, and each time you loop, it gives you a match object. From that point of view, it behaves like a list, but it's more memory efficient. So if you imagine you have a list of these match objects here, it's just the same. Each time you go around and you have a new match object, you can, for instance, print the group and the span, so that you know what that match is and where it matched. And there it goes. Now we have seen find all, we have seen find iter. I invite you to try the other two operators here, which are match and search with this regular expression, and to see what result they return.